Hello students, welcome to Learn with Gcse Academy. In today's video we are going to see concept perimeter, one of the very easiest topic of mathematics. Perimeter is nothing but the addition of all sides of any shape. Okay, this is the rough definition of perimeter. Perimeter is the total distance. Perimeter is the total distance around the boundary of a 2D shape. Okay, always remember it is always measured in centimeter, meter or feet, or there are many units, but normally we consider centimeter, meter or feet. And while finding perimeter we always consider outside length of a shape. Always remember, we consider outside length of a shape. Okay, it doesn't matter what inside it. Okay, we have to consider outside length of a perimeter shape. For example, there are some examples of shapes. For example, square. Okay, a square, we know that a square has 4 equal sides, right? So the perimeter of the square is addition of all 4 sides. Okay, means suppose I'm considering A, so all sides will be A, so the perimeter will be 4A in this way. Similarly, rectangle, we know that in rectangle opposite sides are equal, right? So the perimeter of rectangle is again same, addition of all 4 sides. Okay, similarly, triangle, a triangle has 3 sides. A triangle has 3 sides, so the perimeter will be addition of 3 sides. Okay, similarly, parallelogram again same. In parallelogram it has 2 pairs, means opposite sides again same, so the perimeter will be addition of all 4 sides. Okay, trapezoid, the last shape is trapezoid. So trapezoid, we know trapezoid look like this, right? The upper side is we denote by A, lower side we denote by B, right? So the trapezoid has one pair of parallel sides, means opposite sides are equal, so the perimeter will be same again, addition of all 4 lengths. Okay, so where exactly normally perimeter we use, okay, or what are the application of perimeters? So normally if we had to fencing any garden or any shape, okay, so perimeter helps in finding how much fencing is needed to surround a garden. Means suppose you have to fencing this garden. Okay, so initially you have to find what is the exactly length of this garden, so that you can easily fencing it. Similarly, painting the borders. Okay, perimeter helps in calculating the length of border or trim to go around the room. Or suppose you have to paint any room, that time also we use perimeters. Okay, running track, perimeter helps in measuring the distance around the track. Okay, if you have to find the distance around the track, that time also we use perimeter. Okay, or suppose we have to wrap any gift. Okay, so perimeter helps in determining the length of ribbon we need, okay, to wrap the given gift. Okay, so there are many applications of perimeter, but normally we use in this categories. So let's see some formulas of perimeters. So already we have seen some shapes. Okay, one by one we'll see their formulas. So first shape is a square. First shape is a square, so we know that this in square all sides, all 4 sides are equal, right? So suppose I'm considering the side of shape square is S, so the all 4 side will be S, so S, you have to add S 4 times, so we'll get perimeter P is equal to 4S, right? Second one, rectangle. In rectangle opposite sides are equal, right? And suppose length is L and width is W, so perimeter will be 2 in bracket L plus W, or simply you can write 2L plus 2W. 2W means 2 times width and 2 times length. Okay, next shape is triangle. In triangle there are 3 sides, so we have to just add 3 sides A plus B and C. So in triangle we have 3 sides A, B and C, so you have to just add these 3 sides, you will get perimeter of triangle. Similarly, parallelogram. In parallelogram again same, opposite sides are equal, so if width is A, then opposite side will be also be same A, and if length is B, opposite side will also be same B, so perimeter will be 2 in bracket A plus B, or simply 2A plus 2B. Okay, next one is rhombus. Rhombus is same as square. Okay, so again same here, all 4 sides are same, it means perimeter will be 4S. And finally trapezoid. In trapezoid your upper side will be A, okay, and lower side will be B, bottom side will be B. Okay, and these 2 sides are equal, so again same, in trapezoid you have to add 4 sides, so A plus B plus C plus D will be your perimeter. And finally, circle. In circle, we consider circumference as a perimeter. Okay, so we know the formula of circumference. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So the perimeter will be 2 pi r units. Okay, so what exactly perimeter do? Perimeter tells us how far it is around the outside of the shape. Always remember, perimeter we use to calculate outside length. Okay, remember outside length. Okay, we find outside length of any shape. Okay, I hope this all formulas of all shapes are cleared. Let's see some question on this topic now. Okay, so here in question number 1, they have given the length of rectangle 13.6 and the perimeter already they have given. Okay, so your first step should be write down given data. What they have given? They have given perimeter P is equal to 37.8 centimeter and length they have given L is equal to 13.6 centimeter, right? We have to find width, so we know that opposite side in rectangle are always same, so this will be width, so opposite side will also be same, and 13.6 length will opposite side of length will be also be same 13.6. So what is the formula of perimeter for rectangle? So P is equal to 2L plus 2W, right? 2 times length plus 2 times W. So already we have the value of perimeter 37.8. So put in this formula 37.8 is equal to 2 times length. Length we have 13.6. So put here 13.6 and plus 2 times W will be as it is. W we have to find. Okay. So now what I'm doing, I'm just simplifying this equation. So 37.8, keep it as it is. 2 times 13.6. 2 times 13.6 will be 27.2 and plus 2W. Okay, now what I am doing, I'm just subtracting both sides 27.2. So if I subtracting, we'll get 37.8 minus 27.2 is equal to 2 times W. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to just subtract 27.2 from 37.8. If I subtract 27.2 from 37.8, we'll get 10.6. We'll get 10.6 is equal to 2 times W. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to divide both sides by 2. Okay, divide by 2 both sides. So you will get 10.6 divided by 2 is equal to 2W divided by 2. So your 2 to get cancelled, and 10.6 divided by, if I divide by 2, we'll get 5.3 is equal to W. So the width of this rectangle will be 5.3, and always remember to give units. So the units of length is centimeter, so the length of width will also be same centimeter. So this will be your final answer. Okay, I hope this topic is clear, this problem is clear. Let's see one more question. What they have mentioned here, they have given one shape here. Okay, and we have to find the perimeter of this L size shape. Okay, so you can see here this shape we have to find initially this distance and this distance also, right? So we know that this distance is 3 centimeter. So it means if this one is 3 and this total is 8 here, right? So if I subtract 3 from 8, so this distance will become 5, right? This distance will become 5, and for this distance we should know this is again 3. If this one is 3, if I subtract 7 from 3, remaining is 4. So this distance will be 4, right? Now what you have to do, you have to just add all distances. So perimeter is equal to what I'm doing, I'm just naming this diagram. Okay, just for our convenience. This is point A, this one is point B, C, D, E and F point. Okay, so starting from A point, perimeter is equal to distance AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF and plus FA. Okay, you have to add all sides so that you will get directly the value of perimeter. So we have value of AB. The value of AB is 8. Put here 8, plus the value of BC is 3. Put here 3, plus the value of CD is 5. Put here 5, plus the value of DE is 4. Put here 4, plus the value of EF is again 3, and plus the value of FA is 7. Okay, what I did here, I have put all the values of sides. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to just add all sides. So if I add this, 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 5 16, 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 3 23, and 23 plus 7 30. So the perimeter of this L shape shape is 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter. In this way you can find the perimeter of any shape. Okay, let's see one more question. What they have mentioned here, Mr. Jones is a chicken farmer and he wants to build a new fence around the chicken enclosure. Each meter of fencing will cost 7.99 euro. Okay, work out the cost of new fence. Okay, we have to find the cost of new fence that Mr. Jones want to place. So what I'm doing, initially again same, you have to mention all sides. So what means, before finding perimeter, what I'm doing, I'm just naming this figure. So A point, B point, C, D, E point, and F point. Okay, so now you can see here, I know the EF distance is 6 and CD distance, right? CD distance is 5. So it means 5 plus 6 11. So AB distance will be 11 and BC distance is 12. Okay, BC distance is 12 and this distance is 8. If I subtract 8 from 12, I will get AF as 4 centimeter, right? Now after finding all lengths, you can now find the perimeter, right? So the perimeter formula is again same, starting from point A. So AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF and plus FA. Okay, so the value of AB is 11. Put here 11, plus the value of BC is 12. Put here 12, plus the value of CD 5, plus the value of DE is 8, plus the value of EF is 6, and plus the value of FA is 4. Okay, I put all the values from diagram. Now you have to just add all values. So 11 plus 12, 11 plus 12 23, 23 plus 5 28, 28 plus 8 36, 36 plus 6 42, and 42 plus 4 will be 46, right? Let's again measure. 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 8 18, 18 plus 5 23, 23 plus 12 35, 35 plus 11 will be 46, right? 46 meter. 46 meter. This is our required perimeter. But what we have to find? We have to find the exact cost of new fence. Okay, therefore cost of fence is equal to perimeter, total perimeter, times, for 1 meter we have we need 7.99 euro, right? So the for total perimeter means 46 into 7.99. What you have to do? You have to multiply 46 by 7.99. So if I multiply 46 by 7.99, we'll get 367.54 euro. Okay, this will be your exact cost. This will be your exact cost. So to find the cost, what you have to do first, you have to initially find perimeter, and finally you have to just multiply by the given cost. Okay, let's see one more question so that your topic will be clear. Okay, you can solve any equation of perimeter now. ABC is isosceles triangle. Okay, the perimeter of a triangle ABC is 70 centimeter. Always remember, whenever you solve any question, your first step should be you have to write down given data. Okay, you have to write down given data. So here what they have given perimeter of triangle ABC is 70 centimeter, and they have given distance AB is equal to 16.3 centimeter. Okay, and work out the side AC. So in isosceles triangle we know that two sides are equal. So what I'm doing, I'm considering the side AC and BC same x. Okay, because both are equal. So if AC is x, then obviously BC will also be same. Okay, therefore we have the formula of perimeter of triangle ABC. So perimeter of triangle ABC is equal to AC plus CB plus BA, or AB you can write, no worry. So the value of AC we consider x, the value of CB will also be same x, and plus the value of AB we have 16, BA we have 16.3. Okay, and the perimeter also we have 70 centimeter. So put here the value of perimeter 70. Now 70 is equal to x plus x will become 2x and plus 16.3. Okay, what we do, we have to just add 2x. Okay, now subtract 16.3. Now subtract 16.3 both sides, so you will get 70 minus 16.3 is equal to 2x. Okay, so if I subtract 16.3 from 70, we'll get 53.7 and is equal to 2x. And finally what you have to do, you have to divide 2 both sides. Okay, so you will get 53.7 divided by 2 is equal to 2x divided by 2. So here 2 get cancel. So 53.7 divided by 2, you will get 26.85. That will be the value of x, or simply the length of side AC. The length of side AC is equal to 26.85. The unit they have given in centimeters, we have to also consider centimeter. In this way you can find the length of any isosceles triangle if perimeter is given. Okay, so I hope this topic is clear to you. Okay, we have solved many questions on this topic, or if you want to solve more questions, so I have mentioned in my description that we have online classes also. So those students who want to join online class, they can directly contact me. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share our channel, so that the next videos or on different topic you will get notification of that. Okay, till then, take care, bye bye.